Welcome back to Vegan Singh. Today we're going to be making fluffy blueberry pancakes that are going to be vegan. Wait, you don't think it's possible to make them fluffy? Well, you're wrong. These are going to be fantastic, phenomenal pancakes. Get excited! Anyway, the weather's really nice today, so I thought I'd make this recipe outside. Bollywood in here. Let's make these blueberry pancakes. It's all for you, Vegan Singh familia. Before we get started, I wanted to share the Punjabi word of the episode for family. It's tabbar. A lot of people are now also saying parivar, but I say tabbar because it's the authentic word, and main gabru putt Punjab da. Aaya chaliye, let's get started. We're going to start off with a cup of vanilla soy milk and combine it with 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. This combination creates buttermilk. The reaction with the protein within the soy milk and the acidity within the apple cider vinegar creates this creamy, thicker buttermilk texture. For the remaining portion of the batter, we're adding a cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of vegan sugar, yeah, that's a thing, not all sugar's vegan, a tablespoon of coconut oil, heated so it helps bind, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Not too much, it could be bad for your stomach if you overdo it. Blueberries! Now we'll combine all the ingredients together. Baking powder is key because this is what's going to make your pancakes really fluffy and soft. Also, if you don't want to use sugar, if you can't find vegan sugar, maple syrup is a great substitute. I personally get my maple syrup parceled from Canada. Vermont works too. You're going to be enticed to add water as well. Do not do it. You want your texture to be thick and lumpy. That's what makes the pancakes really fluffy. We'll go ahead and add the blueberries as well. Just fold them in nice and softly. Don't overdo it. You don't want bleeding blueberry pancakes. I'm in the kitchen. Time to make some pancakes. Add a tablespoon of oil. Add in your batter. You want to cook this on low to medium heat so you can cook the pancakes evenly and throughout. Ooh, the aroma is amazing. Serve it with your favorite maple syrup, Canadian or American, it's all good. I'm garnishing with some blueberries, and then, you know what, you'll just see how fluffy this is. Oof, look at that, super fluffy. I'm at my favorite picnic spot, and you know what's great for picnics? Blueberry pancakes. Not just any blueberry pancakes, vegan, fluffy, delicious blueberry pancakes. These are so good. You guys need to try these out as well. If you do, let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching as always, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one.